Keep on believing, take the stage, chase your dreams. Go on, shout your story, lift it up, make them see. Go on, together believe it, sing your true legacy. Go on, together believe it, sing your true legacy. Chase your dreams, make it big, like this on you got this. Hold your hands for Taiwan, excellence, go show it. Keep on believing, we're with you. Into, oh yes you can. Sing a song of excellence, the song of excellence, the song of excellence. Keep on believing, we're with you. Into, oh yes you can. The song of excellence, the song of excellence. Keep on believing, we're with you. Into, oh yes you can. Your song of
organization, and it is our focus to promote bilateral trade and economic relations with the other countries, and especially with the Philippines. And for this year, we have conducted several projects such as Go Green with Taiwan. We invited proposals from the Philippines to use Taiwan green products and green solutions to solve environmental issues and for sustainability. And the award is $20,000. Yeah.
Third na. So, di ko alam yung naabutan niya yun, but at least sa journey ko with your Song of Excellence, yung naabutan ko parang singer-songwriter doon, dinito, pero hindi sila magkasama. Kumbaga, may sariling competition si singer, meron din si songwriter, tapos within the show, doon lang sila pagsasamahin. Ito, I think it's much more challenging kasi para sa, at least no, for me na talagang kailangan balanse mo silang ma-judge eh. Kasi merong iba magaling kumanta, pero yung sa songwriting parang it can be improved or vice versa naman. So talagang mas nahirapan kami na judges, or at least ako, kasi parang kailangan mahanap ko yung balanse ng magaling sila magsulat, pero yung katandem nila magaling din kumanta. So medyo challenging, but it's a good journey for all.
Parang nagka-competition like this na yun nga sabi ni Ice, may singer, may songwriter, and like ako, galing din ako sa banda. Parang there should be that certain chemistry that you cannot fake, because you know it's not easy to parang come up with something excellent. Yeah, parang I mean, excellence is something na it's, kumbaga, may kasama siyang X factor, may kasamang charm, may kasamang talent, yung story that they wanna tell, no? So parang, it's very challenging, pero I think yun yung fun part nitong ginagawa namin kasi we get to experience din yung process nila, or maging part kami ng process nila as yung ganong klase na duo, kasi hindi madali to like just like sit down with another person and say, oh okay, sige, let's do something excellent, diba? So ano yan, parang may magic, isa siya magic, parang you don't really know what's gonna happen next, so I think that makes it really fun, yung excitement.
But sometimes they're both songwriters and singers, so it's a teamwork, it's a balance of both. Like for instance, someone would compose the lyrics and the other person would do the melody, but in hindsight, they're a team. So there's a balance between the two. It doesn't matter if like the person is a singer or this and the other was a songwriter. So it could be a balance of the both. Because we've discovered also that some of the songwriters also were singers or are singers. So there's a balance in that. But we could only they also like perform at the same time during the eliminations. it's a good balance. No, it's teamwork talaga. That we found na parang also the time pressure given, like we were giving them a certain amount of like days for them to come up with a song, then perform it, no? Then especially during for the finals, I think they were only given 2 days, or like 1 day for the core value song, then the other for the Taiwan Excellence song that they're supposed to compose. So that's a really huge challenge. Because for normal songwriters, yeah, it's not that easy composing a song right then and there, and you have to compete with it. You know, you have your singer also performing it in that the time frame that's given. So it's a huge challenge.
Times, bawat kanta. Tapos binalikan ko ulit nung nakapag-desisyon na ako na these are the ones na pakiramdam ko okay to enter the competition. Nakinig po ko ulit. Una sa car, tapos nakasettle down na ako sa bahay just to make sure. Kasi sobrang dami po talagang magagaling na songwriters ng Pilipinas. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Taiwan Excellence for giving platform to Filipino talents. Maraming salamat po. We have so much talent, so we can just imagine how hard it was for us. It's really hard.
We judge them through the criteria, no? Pero personally, I'm looking for someone, you know, to add value to the art industry. Because knowing the Filipinos, we're all talented. And I'm happy to see we are thriving new composers in the Philippines. No, I think this is one of the great values na inaano ng contest na to. Now we have great composers na hindi nabibigyan palagi ng platform to have their songs be heard. You know, I think it's marrying of the both the performer and the composer, the storytelling behind it. And ang maganda kasi sa contest ito, it's not genre specific. Any genre can join, and I think it's just, you know, the connection siguro, relaying the message of the song, and probably I could see is anong relevance sila sa pagpasok sa music industry. Would they add value to our music industry? But it's like, because you know, we are a culture that influenced by other, you know, K-pop, J-pop, rock, American rock. We've got British pop rock, ano, halo-halo. So ngayon, natutuwa ka na may flavor na lumalabas from the Philippines. Like we've got this SB19, Beanie, other band groups like Ben and Ben, any other rock groups also coming out. So I'm happy na the music industry now in the Philippines is thriving. At sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-ano ng music industry in the Philippines.
Magaling sumulat, maraming magaling kumanta. Pero para sa akin, for that song to connect to me as an audience, that's very important because that's only when it becomes life-changing. So, yun ang hinahanap.
Ni Direct Ice, no? Kasi po yung sa technical part, nagawa na po yung sa production eh. Yung pagsinsin ng pagsulat ng letra ng kanta, yung melody na gusto mong takbuhan ng song, yung technique na gagawin, pinractice mo na yan eh. Pero yung ganito po sa competition, yung actual na to, na may audience, paano mapaparating ng mga finalists natin, yung energy na yun, yung whether it be joy or sadness that they were inspired to write. Paano po mararamdaman ng audience? Paano namin mararamdaman bilang mga judges? Yun po yung parang magic na sinasabi ko ni Katie na it's magical. That magic moment, that's what I'm really looking for. And I would also like to commend Taiwan Excellence na kilala ko lang po ito kay Direct Ice kanina. After po this competition, the songs, they still own their songs. So they can do whatever they want. Hindi po naging monopol, hindi po siya angkinin ng Taiwan Excellence. They can do whatever they want. What Taiwan Excellence wants to do is ma-inspire po yung mga artists na ito you've got the taste na of what it feels like to perform sa ganitong klaseng stage, to be seen online by your audience, ganyan. Sana maituloy nila. And hindi po yun parang na-tied pa rin kayo sa akin, whatever you do, na parang nakaano kayo or nakakulong. And that kind of mentality and heart Grabe po yun. Sobrang na-add na value nila sa mga talentong Pilipino. So gusto ko lang po ulit na palakpakan sila for that. So thank you so much.
Siguro songwriting talaga. Yun lang talaga yung parang pinaka-pinagbabasihan namin na nahanapin. Yun nga, walang genre na nagsasarado ng box eh. Parang kung ano yung na-hit kami sa amin. Lalo na kami rin, mga songwriters kami. So parang, alam mo yun eh, pag tumama sa iyo yung kanta eh, di ba? Whether novelty yan o rock yan or ballad or whatever, di ba? Basta, it's all about parang hitting that right spot sa soul. So songwriting talaga. Ang gagaling magsulat ng mga mga narinig namin. Kaya nakakatuwa and refreshing dahil lalo tayo Pinoy, di ba? Hilig natin na kumanta eh. So madalas tayo nakakita ng mga singing contests. But it's refreshing to have a project like this. Diba, na songwriting, champion yung composers, diba? Yeah.